Hi, first graders. So it's getting close to the holidays. And I thought that I would spend some time with you and make some healthy, fun holiday snacks. I'm going to show you what we're going to be making today. We're going to make 3 snacks. The first, we're going to make the Grinch. Then we're going to make a cheese stick snowman. And then we're going to make a reindeer. Okay, so let's get started. So the first project is the Grinch. So for the Grinch, you're going to need 4 items. A strawberry, marshmallow, mini one, a banana, and a grape. Okay? You'll also need something to stick them on. I have a skewer. You might have one of these at home, or you might have something similar that you can use. Okay, so you need your skewer. We're going to start and build it. We're going to put everything down in here. So the first thing we're going to need is a grape. Now remember, you need to wash your hands before you get started, and then wash any of the foods that need to be washing. So I did that already. So here's my grape. I'm going to be very careful. Take the pointy end, and I'm going to stick it through. If you need help, you could always have somebody at home help you. I'm going to push it right through just like that. Okay, and it's going to go down pretty far. I can always move it down further. The next thing I need is a slice of banana. So I already unpeeled my banana, and I'm just going to take a slice. Now, again, you can use a plastic knife, or I have a butter knife because it's not really sharp, because that would be the safe thing to use. So I'm just going to make a cut, just like that. Let me go ahead and make the cut for you. There we go. And there it is, just a slice of banana. I'm going to stick that on next. Plop. There we go. Now I need strawberry. Here's a strawberry. I already took off the leafy part. Again, I washed it. And I'm going to stick it in because I want the pointy side at the top. I'm going to stick that down in there. There's a little bit left at the top. And that is going to be for the marshmallow. Here's my little marshmallow. It's going to go on top. And I just made the Grinch with the little Christmas hat on. Okay, that's our first snack. The next snack we're going to make is a cheese stick snowman. So you only need 3 items for this. You need a cheese stick, still in the wrapper, a black marker, and an orange marker. Okay, so here's my cheese stick. Now I know it has writing here and here. I think I'm going to use the writing. I think I'm going to turn it around. I want it on the writing side because I want to write on the top part here, not the bottom, on the top. Okay, so I'm going to use my black marker. Now I have a Sharpie. If you have a Sharpie, those work really good, but you could use another black marker. And we're going to make the hat part first. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line straight across where the cheese stick would start. Actually, I think I'm going to go down further. Yeah, I'm going to go down further because I want to cover up that writing. And you're just going to color it in. So I'm going to make a big rim, just like that part. And now I need to make the hat part, which is just like a little square on top of it, right? And color that in. Now I'm doing this standing up. I would, if I were you, I'd put down on the table. That would probably be a lot easier. But I want to show you what I'm doing. Okay? And coloring in, make sure you get it all black. So there we go. Now we have the hat. Now what does the snowman need? He needs some eyes to see. So I'm just going to give him 2 little eyes, just like that. I'm going to save room for the nose in a little bit. I need to make him a mouth. I think I'm going to give him a smiley mouth because, you know, this is a really jolly time of year. Here's his little smile, and I'm going to give him 3 buttons. 1, 2, 3, just like that. Okay, now I need to give him a carrot nose, so you need an orange marker. Again, any kind of marker you can use. Now I don't have an orange Sharpie, so I'm just going to use my other one. And I think I'm going to make it like just a little triangle. Yeah, you see that? There we go. And now we made a cheese stick snowman. All right, the last little snack craft we're going to make is the reindeer. So let's look at what we need for that. To make our yummy reindeer, We need a cracker, some peanut butter. Now, if you're allergic to peanut butter, you can use sun butter or some other kind of brown kind of spready thing would be great. Mini pretzels, chocolate chips, want the regular small ones, or even the mini ones if you have those, that would be great. And also red M&Ms. Okay, so to make these, I have my round cracker. Now, if you don't have a round one, it doesn't matter, right? I need peanut butter or sun butter. And I have a knife that's not sharp. I'm just going to take a little bit. I don't really need a lot. I'm going to cover it. I need it to be sticky because it's going to almost be like not only the brown color of a reindeer, but it's also going to be kind of like the glue. Okay? And what I need to do is I need to put on 2 antlers, so 2 of the pretzels. 1 and 2, just like that. And then we need to give him some eyes, right? A little peanut butter on me. All right, so I have my little chocolate chips. And put 2 on, 1, 2. And then I think I'm going to make them look like Rudolph. So I have a red M&M. But if you have another kind of red candy, that would work as well. There we go. We're all done. So with just a few ingredients, you can make some fun, healthy holiday snacks. The Grinch, the Snowman, or a reindeer. Let me show you the ingredients again, just so you know. Here's what we needed for the Grinch: the strawberry, banana, marshmallow, and grape, and a skewer or something to stick it with. The cheese stick snowman, you just need a cheese stick and a black marker and an orange marker. And for the yummy reindeer, you need a cracker, peanut butter or sun butter, mini pretzels, chocolate chips, and a red M&M. Okay, so as we get ready to enjoy all of the holiday festivities, this is one way you can still be healthy, do a craft, and also eat something yummy. Okay, so happy holidays, everyone, and I hope you enjoyed making some of these snacks with me.